Hello friends, welcome back. This is video number 23, and what all things you are getting very good things, and you will be very happy for this box, as I have only one box with me. So the MRP is 2030 2030 rupees. So what all things you are getting this napkin. Just count the number of things. You are getting some transfer sheets, some branded ones and non-branded ones, and some decoupage napkins, and these all are three ply, these jumbo one. So let's start and we'll count the things. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, this is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. These napkins are total 34, and just give me 1 minute. Okay, these all are napkins 34. Now I'm going to show you transfer sheets. What this is, this not अभी इतना नहीं हुआ, और भी है 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, and it's a very good deal. So if you divide 4,000 into 47, you got 22 रुपीज़ पर पीस. सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड डील. आपको 22 रुपीज़ में ये ट्रांसफ़र शीट्स मिल रही हैं. इट्स अ वेरी गुड डील. सो यू आर, दिस इज़ फुल बॉक्स. सो द बॉक्स इज़ 22, and the MRP of this box is 2030 rupees, and you are getting in 1000 rupees. So book fast. We have very limited stuff with us. Thank you.